Okay. Yeah. So I guess I think you guys like having a quite long trip because I guess you were from Guam or Philippines. Space.
So we're from Korea, and then
South Korea.
so we went from South Korea to the Philippines, and then the Philippines to here, and then we'll go back to Korea.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You're like in the I know some of the United States base like the Humphrey. I've always saw in like Train to Busan and there are quite a couple of movies mentioned about that like the Humphrey camp from Train to Busan and World War Z. Yeah, I know they are like quite famous.
Yeah, we're close to Humphreys.
Humphrey. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I'm talking about like Korea as well. My sister also been there too once.
Yeah, Korea's cool. Korea's cool. So is Vietnam. Vietnam's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I mean, welcome to Hanoi.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 19. I'm almost 20 now.
Almost? Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 24. Whoa. Why do I look old?
No.
Yeah, still living young. Yes. Oh, what is that truck? What kind of truck?
That's just for transporting stuff.
Oh, yes.
So what they'll do is they'll tow the artillery with that.
Oh, okay. That's I'm in the university and I'm also like to see history and maybe sometimes the military. So it's quite fun though. Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, A10. That A10 was like one person only. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I usually watch like quite the 1980s movies. It's quite a couple of long time ago, but I saw a version where two person who see.
Yeah, they
it's
made
experimental.
They made like 3 of them,
Yeah.
and they really never flew. It was like a prototype.
Yeah, it's just prototype, and thanks to it we will now have this A10. I guess Vietnam will brought this one and this one. This one quite big.
Yeah.
Big bad boy. I really like it.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh. Yeah, I'm Nam.
Nam? Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Josh. Sir. Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Josh is fine.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
See you later.
See ya.
What kind of jet is this?
These are A-10s, and the big one down there is the C-130.
And 130.
Yeah, 130.
Nhưng mà mang được mấy cái how many rockets can this carry? 1 or 2?
So you see where the pod's mounted right there? That's for loading munitions and stuff like that. Yeah, no. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
6.
Well, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a lot.
Hello? You one from the Korean from here?
Yeah.
DMZ come here? DMZ border?
Korea, Philippines, Vietnam.
Treo rồi đang treo đây đúng không? Đấy. Cái này là treo gì?
Yeah, right now it's configured for travel. So we have that's a big fuel tank on the bottom. And then the ones on the side are hollow, and we put like the pilot's clothes and stuff in there.
Cứ mang về thì sau khi bắn xong rồi phải quay về làm. Đúng rồi, thì bắn một lần.
How are you? Josh. Nice to meet you.
Cái này là của nước này đó.
Xem cái thông
Hả? Đây là máy bay C-130 hiện tại của không lực Mỹ.
Cái muỗng của nó đâu?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Speak to you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Darren.
Darren, my name's Sơn.
Oh, nice.
Nice to meet. Can you tell me a detail of this plane? The detail of this plane.
What?
Can you tell me about detail of this plane? C-30.
Yep, this is C-130. Yep.
How long it service for US the Air Force?
It's been in since 1999.
Oh.
Yep. Well, at least this model has. This is the J model.
Oh.
Yep.
And you bring from Korean to here?
Japan.
Ah. And how many pilots for this plane?
It just needs two.
Two.
Yeah.
How many people they can loading? How many people?
How many people can be on it? Like 128 or something in there.
Ah. You seem like the Asian man.
Sorry?
I'm sorry, I look like you Asian people. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
How to say? Because now in the US there are so lot of the Vietnamese people living in the US. You look like Vietnam.
I'm not Vietnamese, no. I'm a Filipino.
Filipino. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Philippines. Yeah. Hello. Because sometimes I have the many friends from Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And they speak English very well. Đây là máy bay 130.
Oh wait, okay. What kind of aircraft? Because he's asking.
This is C-130 cargo aircraft.
Oh, so for what kind?
Thôi đi.